So guys, you are doing a bigger painting and you're wanting to do a wet palette, or you want to actually have all your artwork, your paints ready to go for every time you get a chance to paint. So I'm going to take you through creating a wet palette. And for those that are new to my channel, my name is Sonia Farrell, and I do art commissions and painting and also art workshops. So having a wet palette is a great idea if you're wanting to paint larger works and you've got colors that you're specifically mixing for that artwork. So the first thing you need is a nice tray that has got a lid. The lid is here somewhere. That has got a lid, and you're going to just put some paper towel in there, wet that with a spray, just to really saturate that paper towel really nicely. Going to the other side. I'm not going to spray it so that it's soaking wet, but just damp to the point where it does feel like, wet tissue. So just really wetting that nicely. And then I'm going to put a bit of baking paper over the top of that. So let's get that out. So just more or less the same size as your palette. You don't need to have anything more. Probably have to cut it just down to size. So you can just put it down. I like to put like the waxy side up, and that way it's nice and sort of smooth for any mixing or using my palette knife in any way. Just going to go in there, get the size really right. So these can go a little bit sad after a bit of time, so it won't last forever, but you might want to sort of work on something for the next 2 weeks or so, and that will be absolutely perfect for that. It just goes a little bit smelly, that's all. So yeah, the best is to actually just keep refreshing this. So you'll see it's just a nice covering, and I'm going to pop some art on there, some paints. I'm busy doing a larger piece right now, and I thought I better just mix some paint up. Oh. There we go. Got my Prussian blue. Oh, ocean colors, I love them. So leave enough room between each of your paints, and also don't put so much paint in there that you might be sad to be losing it. Oh yeah, no, it's the same color. I'm looking for white. Cream. Some of the blues. So I'm getting all my ocean colors together. Just leaving a little bit of space between each one. These are acrylic paints. I'll do a little bit of green, just a drop. So just pipe out the colors you want, and once you've done that, just give it a very light spray, just a very fine mist spray. You can't actually see how much there is on that, from what I can tell, and then you will use your different paints to paint. Excellent. So just make sure you do put a lid that can seal over this, and your paint should be absolutely fine and stay nice and pliable for at least, for a really long time, but it will start getting a bit smelly. So I like to keep it for about 2 weeks, maybe a month at the most, and then just refresh. So don't keep piping new paint on there. Just sort of mix your colors, get that done, and then just keep on refreshing it as you go in stages. All right then, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this tip. And if you want more, please subscribe. Please follow me. And if you are wanting more in-depth tutorials and art tips and tricks, please feel free to join me on my Patreon channel. See you later. Bye.